Are you ready to learn how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to boost your income? Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or just wanting to make more money in 2023, this video will show you several ways to make money using this cutting-edge technology. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the many ways you can make money with ChatGPT. 1. Write code for simple web tools. One of the easiest ways to make money using ChatGPT is by using it to write code for simple web tools like calculators. These calculators could help people calculate their taxes, mortgage payments, or figure out how much they need to save periodically for retirement. By using ChatGPT to write the code for these tools, you don't even need to know how to code. But if you already do, you can save yourself hours of work and make money by selling these tools to others. Creating a simple mortgage calculator is a great way to start. To prompt ChatGPT to generate the code for the calculator, you can simply enter "Code me a mortgage calculator." The given calculator can then take inputs for the loan amount, loan term, and interest rate, then use those numbers to generate the monthly mortgage payment for the user. Additionally, you can also have ChatGPT generate code for other types of calculators, such as retirement savings calculators, investment calculators, tax refund calculators, and more. 2. Write ad copy or sales emails. Another awesome way to make money with ChatGPT is by having it write ad copy or sales emails. By using ChatGPT, you can write compelling ad copy to increase conversion rates and make more money with your sales copies, all while working just a fraction of the time you would typically work. You can do this for your own business or offer your services as a copywriter to others. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write tone-specific and persuasive ad copy for a weight loss product. Specify in your prompt what you want the ad copy to focus on, like the benefits of the product, such as weight loss, improved energy levels, and more. You can then customize the given ad copy to fit your and your client's business needs. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to write ad copy for email campaigns, which are a great way to promote products and services to a targeted audience. ChatGPT can write subject lines and body content that are attention-grabbing and will captivate your target audience. 3. Find endless side hustle ideas. Creating wealth and financial stability can be hard with only one source of income, but this is where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT can help you come up with endless side hustle ideas. By using this AI model to generate different ideas to make money, you can find new and creative ways to earn cash that you might not have thought of before. You can simply prompt ChatGPT to come up with ideas for starting your own online business, or have it find ways to monetize your existing skills and interests. For example, as an artist, you can ask ChatGPT to generate ideas on how to monetize your style of art. It will give you step-by-step advice on what to do to start making money with your art. On top of that, you can also use ChatGPT to generate e-commerce ideas. It can research and identify profitable niches and products, and create outlines for dropshipping stores, or help you create your own brand. If you like the ideas in this video so far, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Performance AI to learn about all the ways you can use AI to improve your life and make more money. 4. Write YouTube scripts. Another great use of ChatGPT is writing scripts for YouTube videos. ChatGPT can come up with engaging and informative content optimized for the YouTube algorithm. That content can then be used to boost your channel and allow it to make money through ads, sponsorships, or by promoting your own products and services. You can use ChatGPT to write compelling scripts focused on a variety of topics, such as health, finance, and science. For example, if you want to generate scripts focused on personal finance, ChatGPT can provide heavily detailed scripts about budgeting, saving money, investing, and so much more. 5. Create a newsletter. Using ChatGPT, you can create a newsletter for yourself or clients in any niche. Creating a newsletter is a great way to keep your audience engaged and informed about your business or niche. It can help generate high-quality content that is tailored to your specific audience with a few prompts. This increases the chances that they will be interested in what you have to say. You can provide industry updates, share helpful tips, or promote new products and services. ChatGPT can also help personalize the content and subject lines and automate the process of sending out newsletters, which is useful for businesses that have a large subscriber base. It can be time-consuming to manually send out individual emails, and by using ChatGPT, you can free up time to focus on other things to grow your business. 6. Creating resumes for job seekers. ChatGPT can easily help create resumes for job seekers. Using this tool, you can make money by offering a resume-building service. It can generate professional and effective resumes that will stand out from the competition. This service can be offered to any job seeker that's looking to improve their chances of getting hired. Additionally, you can offer resume writing services to organizations that are looking to outsource employees. Creating resumes with ChatGPT is quick and easy. You can have it generate a professional summary, list of skills, and work experience with a few inputs. If you don't know what to ask for, you can request ChatGPT to list the information it needs to generate the resume. Additionally, you can use it to write cover letters, which can increase the chances of getting an interview. 7. Cleaning up existing content. Proofreading and editing is a great way for copy and content writers to make money. You can use ChatGPT to edit and improve existing content, such as blog posts, articles, or even books, and offer this service to businesses or individuals looking to improve their online presence or the quality of their written content. Using ChatGPT to clean up existing content is a quick and easy process. You can use it to check for grammar and spelling errors, improve readability, and even make suggestions for improvements. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to optimize the content for search engines, which increases the chances of it being found by potential readers. 8. Providing language translation services. ChatGPT is trained on multiple languages, making it an efficient tool for translating written text from one language to another. Consider this: only about 17% of the world speaks and understands English, meaning there is a wider market to explore when content is translated into other languages. There are many businesses and individuals looking to expand their reach to a global audience. With ChatGPT, you can offer services to help them break down language barriers and reach a wider audience. You can offer translating services for a variety of industries, such as e-commerce, tourism, media, and more. The best part is that you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. 9. Building business presentations for clients. Just like creating resumes for job seekers, you can leverage ChatGPT to make money by building business presentations for clients. It can help you create professional and engaging presentations that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as pitching to investors, promoting products or services, or even training employees. You can offer this service to businesses or individuals who are looking to improve their presentation skills and conversions. Using ChatGPT to build business presentations is straightforward. You can prompt it to generate clear, concise, structured, and persuasive content. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to write scripts for the presentation, which will help you grab the audience's attention and keep them engaged throughout it. 10. Become a ChatGPT expert and sell your knowledge. Finally, you can make a lot of money by becoming a ChatGPT expert and selling this knowledge to clients who'd like to become proficient at using ChatGPT. As the use of this AI tool becomes more widespread, there will be a growing demand for experts who know how to use it efficiently in various industries. By learning how to use ChatGPT, you can position yourself as a valuable resource for businesses and individuals looking to make money with ChatGPT. For example, you can offer your services as a consultant to businesses that want to improve their operations. You can help them with tasks such as automating customer service, generating product descriptions, or creating chatbots. Additionally, you can offer training and coaching services to individuals and businesses who want to learn how to use ChatGPT for their own projects. You can create online courses, webinars, and even one-on-one coaching sessions to teach people how to use it. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and now have a better understanding of how you can make money with ChatGPT. Remember, whether you're a programmer, a marketer, or just looking for a way to make some extra cash, there are many ways to use ChatGPT to your advantage. Let us know in the comments which option you think is the easiest way to make money with ChatGPT. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Performance AI to learn about all the ways you can use AI to improve your life and make more money.